Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Ruby. If you guys are seeing my face for the first time, and from the title you guys must be already knowing that today I am going to do a haul, that is Nykaa haul, which I have ordered all the products from that sale, hot pink Nykaa sale. So I have to tell you guys something really important and interesting. So first thing, Nykaa is having their own sale which is having flat 20% off on all the Nykaa products and one kajal free if you have your total cart above rupees 999. And yes, I have ordered these products from Nykaa itself, link given in the description box. But this time I have ordered products of Plum and I got this kajal which is totally free, and this is really amazing. And yes, with kajal sharpener is free, so bonus kajal plus sharpener. So in my previous haul you must be have seen that I have ordered a sharpener differently and I have paid for that, but in this I already got kajal plus sharpener free, and this sharpener is really cute as you guys can see, and this kajal is also free. And yes, this is amazing. So I will show you guys applying this on my eyes. Wait, I'll show you. See, when I open it is something like this, and this is really sharp, really very sharp and amazing. I just love the texture of this kajal. But I'll apply, see, I have applied the liner. I haven't applied this kajal, so I'll just apply it. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I have applied the kajal and it is really pigmented and amazing. So I just love this. Obviously free product hai. Okay, so I have ordered other products. I'll just show you guys. So let's start with this cleansing balm. And first thing, I'll just give the description about the Plum products. So first thing, they are 100% vegan. So if you guys know me or if you guys are following me since long time, you guys must be already knowing that I am a vegetarian and I would love if something is vegan. And yes, this is 100% vegan. It is already written, like in clear words it is written on their box. It is 100% vegan, and we are against animal testing, so no animals are harmed while making this product. So it is really amazing. This is the best part about Plum. Okay, I'll just open this. See, there's a note inside this. And the best part I loved about this, all the products come in glass कंटेनर. यस मीन्स ये कंटेनर ना प्लास्टिक नहीं होता है, ये ग्लास होता है, तो बहुत हैवी भी होता है. एंड it is really amazing. I personally don't like plastic, so I loved this, the way and the container about this product. So this is how it is looking. Okay, so when we open, we have over here this way balm. This is just a balm. I guess you may think it is just like a Vaseline. Yes, kind of Vaseline. ये literally transparent balm है. इसको हम लोग we can use as a moisturizer or a makeup remover as well. I have used this as a makeup remover. Like there was a makeup on my face and I removed with this product, and it turned out amazing. I just loved it. So, and the smell is also amazing. It is of orange. And I just love this. This is really amazing product. Like if you ever think to replace Vaseline, you can go for this. You can definitely go for this. This is amazing. I just loved it. Superb. Okay, now let's go for the next product. So the next product over here is this night gel. Night gel is something which you have to apply before you sleep, and it will do magic overnight for your skin. So it will just moisturize your skin and help your skin to get repaired overnight. So if you consistently apply, it will definitely work. So yes, it is green tea night gel balance hydration. Same thing, when we open this, we have a note over this which says, "Hi, it's me." Okay, and the container is of glass again. So ये बहुत heavy रहता है. ठीक है, product कम है लेकिन heavy बहुत रहता है. Okay, see, you can see the product. It's really superb in green color since it's green tea, and I just love this. Like ये ना नाइट जेल बहुत मज़ा आता है लगाने में. See, I have used almost like half of the product and it is amazing, like superb. And इससे ना इसको अंडर आई लगाते हैं तो it do helps. So you can go for this, you can try this out. I'll put the rates over the screen in case if you want. And as I said, 20% flat off है, so Nykaa से order कर सकते हो. Just go and order from Nykaa. And as I said, I have ordered all these products during sale, hot pink Nykaa sale, and I have got kajal free. Even you'll get free kajal and a sharpener as well, to be precise. Okay, next thing I am using is this face mask, that is Glow Getter face mask from Plum, which is in orange packaging, and it is of white tea, and it is used for normal dry and combi skin. I have a combi skin. And next, when we open, same thing, we have a letter which says turn over to get the best results from your clay face mask. Okay, so the steps are written, like how to get the best result from the clay mask. Gently apply a uniform So now when we open, this is also of glass and it is in white color and the texture is amazing. Like as you guys can see, the texture is really amazing. I would love to apply, so let's apply, let's see how it works. And this is the last product of the haul, so doesn't matter. Okay, so let's apply. The smell is really superb, I must say. वरना vegan products like natural products के smell ना बहुत बकवास होते हैं, जो मुझे नहीं पसंद आते हैं. बट इसका स्मेल लिटरली बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है यार. एंड स्मेल से ना मूड बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है. आई कैन बेट ऑन दैट. अगर अगली स्मेल, लाइक बैड स्मेल होगा ना, तो उससे मूड भी बहुत जल्दी ख़राब हो जाता है. Yes, now we have to wait until this mask dries. Get back to you within 10, 15, 20 minutes. Okay guys, so it has been almost 10 to 15 minutes and it is dried. Yes, I can't see anything on my hands, but yes, it was little burning. I don't know why, but I'll just wash it off and come back within 2 minutes. Just stay tuned. Okay guys, I have just washed it off with normal tap water, and we have to just lock it. Like after face mask, we have to apply moisturizer, but before that, let's wipe it off. Okay guys, so it's done and it is really feeling very nice. I don't know, I'm just loving it. I just loved it. It is looking nice and it is feeling, it's like once you try, you can feel that product. And yes, the feeling is different. Yes, that's what I can say for this product. Okay guys, that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to hit like to this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to check the description box. Links are given in the description box of all the products, and you get kajal and sharpener free. And Nykaa hot pink sale is already going on, so hurry up and do order to get flat 20% off. Yeah, bye bye, see you in next video, and do subscribe if you haven't already.